As the sun rises over vast golden fields, millions of individual wheat plants sway gently in the morning breeze. Wheat has been grown for thousands of years, and today, it remains one of the most essential ingredients in homes around the world. The journey of flour begins here, in the field. Modern farming equipment, like combine harvesters, make the process faster and more efficient. These giant machines cut, thresh, and separate wheat kernels from the stalks, all in one continuous motion. Once harvested, the wheat grains are transported to large grain handling facilities. Long tanker trucks and tractors carry the wheat to tall metal silos where it will be stored before processing. In massive silos, temperature and humidity are carefully controlled to prevent spoilage. Wheat may rest here for days or even weeks, waiting for its turn to be milled. Before wheat can be turned into flour, it must be completely clean. The cleaning process removes dust, stones, straw pieces, insects, damaged grains, and any other impurities. Vibrating separator screens gently shake out dirt. Magnetic separators remove metal particles. Destiners separate heavier stones from wheat grains. Air suction channels blow away light husks and dust. As the grains move through the cleaners, they become purer and brighter. Only healthy wheat kernels continue forward. Wheat is now passed into a conditioning chamber where water is added. This step is called tempering. Adding moisture softens the outer bran layer and toughens the inner endosperm. This makes the grain easier to separate and grind efficiently. Wheat rests in large tanks for several hours before grinding. The conditioned wheat is now ready for milling, the heart of flour production. Roller mills crush the grains, breaking them apart layer by layer. Each pass through the rollers produces finer and finer particles. Between each roller stage, the flour is sifted through fine mesh sieves. Coarse pieces return to the rollers. Fine flour moves on. Dozens of roller stages work together, producing flour with consistent texture, whiteness, and quality. Not every part of the wheat becomes white flour. The bran and germ, rich in fiber and nutrients, are collected separately. Different grades of flour are produced depending on how much bran is removed, from whole wheat flour to extra fine bakery-grade flour. Before packaging, the flour is tested for protein content, moisture level, gluten strength, color, and texture. Sometimes flour from different batches is blended to achieve exact baking performance required by bread factories, restaurants, and home kitchens. Fully automated packing machines fill the flour into 1 kilo, 5 kilo, 20 kilo, or 50 kilo bags. Each bag is weighed, sealed, labeled, and prepared for shipment. From here, the flour travels to bakeries, grocery stores, restaurants, and homes across the world, ready to become bread, roti, naan, pasta, cake, biscuits, and so much more. From tiny grains growing quietly in the fields, to modern machines working tirelessly in mills. Wheat flour connects farm to table, feeding families, cultures, and traditions around the world.